everyone, Jonathan Lewis here from Global Residential, lead sales agent for Source Development Group. We're here on site in Manchester at Regent Plaza, Block B, and I'd like to welcome Graham from Helix, the principal main contractor. Graham, thanks for coming along today. Just ask a few questions. Could you just give us an idea of the current scope of works that you guys are working on?
Yeah, sure. We're currently doing the foundations, the drainage, doing the attenuation tank for the full development. Working our way down this way, ready for steel to that.
Okay, and when did you actually originally start that work?
We started on the 17th of February. We left site on the 23rd of March because of material supply issues. We're back on again on the 15th of June.
Okay, and just give everybody an idea. Obviously the last 3 months have been very challenging, 4 months for everybody. You know, what sort of percentage of work did you actually achieve prior to COVID-19?
Just over 50% of the works, so we were making good progress.
And just confirm, when did you actually start back on site after?
15th of June.
Okay, and winning the right direction. Obviously everybody's working very hard. When do you anticipate completing the current phase?
We'll complete just before the 10th of August when the steel starts.
Okay.
It's going quite well.
That's good. Obviously Source Development Group took the decision to do a very rigorous health and safety assessment prior to the recommencement of your works. Your thoughts? I mean, do most developers take that approach, or some better than others?
Yeah, I'd say some better than others. Most of the people we're working with have very much left it in the contractor's hands, really, to satisfy ourselves that we could work in a safe manner. So it's good. It's sort of looking at it independent to ourselves, and we jointly agreeing that it was the right time to start works again. So.
Okay, good. Obviously, that's very important in the current climate. Obviously, Helix, it's important that you complied with the current government guidelines. And I'm assuming all the necessary precautions, deep cleans, the cabins, the site, everything's being carried out. I'm assuming.
That's correct. Yeah, we're working fully in accordance with the government guidelines. We've got a thermal sensor on site entrance. Everything's cleaned every night. So yeah, we're completely on board with the guidelines. So.
That's great. Listen, thanks, Graham. Just keep up the good work. Thank you.
No problem. Cheers. Thanks.